Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error on Windows 11, 10, 7. So let's get started. In this case, error message also states the following Windows installation cannot proceed to install Windows. Click OK to restart the computer and then retry the installation. In some cases, after restarting, the installation still cannot proceed, causing frustration for many users. However, there are solutions to fix this issue. The problem involves the error message. The computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. To resolve this, you need to change the value of the child completion D word value in the Windows registry. Start by searching for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar or press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate through the registry editor by following this path. First click H-key local machine. Then click System, then go to Setup and click Status. Now click Child Completion. After selecting the child completion key, double-click on the setup.exaregd word. In the Edit D word 32-bit value window, set the value data to 3 and click OK. Close the registry editor and the error window, then restart your computer. After restarting, check if the error still persists. If you continue to encounter the error, it indicates that your Windows operating system is corrupted. In such a case, you may need to reinstall the Windows operating system to resolve the issue. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.